Today I'll teach you guys how to enable crossfade in Apple Music. And crossfade basically means that when you're listening to music and your music is about to end, it's slowly going to start to fade out and another music will slowly start to fade in again, alright? That is basically what crossfade is. Now to enable it, what you want to do is go inside setting. And once you're inside iPhone setting, just scroll a bit down until you see this option called music. So search for music, and once you see music just like this over here in my screen, click on it. Now once you're inside music, you can see this option called crossfade at the bottom. So my crossfade is turned off, so I need to click on it to turn it on. So I will do that. Now once you turn on your crossfade, it's going to look just like this. And remember, when you turn it on at the bottom, it's showing you a little slider. And from that slider, you can choose how fast you want the songs to crossfade between each other. Is it 1 second, 4 second, 12 second? You can just drag the slider to choose how long you want the crossfade to be. But that's how you guys can enable crossfade. Once this setting is on, basically you are done. Now you can just go inside your iTunes, start listening to music, and when the music ends, the crossfade will be automatically applied. That's how you guys can do it. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide for future iPhone related videos just like this. I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.